This WMA crash course is all about laytime and demurrage. The basic principle of laytime and demurrage is: your delay, my cost. The course consists of 4 sessions. Starting from Session 1, about the fundamentals of laytime, demurrage, and dispatch. Session 2 is all about laytime and the arrived ship. Session 3, in regards laytime and notice of readiness. And finally Session 4, about laytime exceptions and interruptions. By the end of this crash course, the participant will be able to understand what is laytime, demurrage, and dispatch, and learn how they work in practice. Learn the types of laytime. Understand all possibilities and remedies undertaken. Understand the complications that may occur in the commencement of laytime. Understand what is the notice of readiness, and the importance of the arrived ship notion. Learn what is considered to be an exception, and what an interruption for laytime. Distinguish between exception and interruption. And finally, enhance in-depth knowledge on a legal and operational practical knowledge on laytime. You will find the information about this course on the WMA site. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@e-wma.com.